What's new? Unpacking a common English greeting. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, what's new? This is a phrase you'll hear often in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances is key to sounding natural in English. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. What's new is a casual greeting used in English, similar to, how are you? Or, what's up? It's a way of asking someone if there is anything recently happening or noteworthy in their life. This question isn't usually a request for news in general, but more about the person's personal experiences or life updates. This phrase is best used in informal settings, like when chatting with friends, colleagues, or acquaintances you're friendly with. It's a great conversation starter and shows that you're interested in the other person's life. Here's an example. Friend 1, hey, long time no see. What's new? Friend 2, not much, just been busy with work. How about you? Remember, when someone asks you, what's new? They're usually expecting a brief update, not a long story. When someone asks you, what's new? You can respond in a few ways. 1. Share a recent experience or update, like a new hobby, a trip you took, or something interesting that happened. 2. Say there's nothing much new. If you don't have anything specific to share, you can respond with something like, not much, just the usual stuff. 3. Turn the question around. After giving your answer, you can ask, how about you? What's new with you? There are a few variations of this question that you might hear. What's new with you? Anything new happening? What's been going on lately? These are all asking for the same kind of information but might be used in slightly different contexts or based on personal preference. Now that you understand the phrase, what's new? You can confidently use it in your conversations in English. Remember, it's a casual and friendly way to catch up with someone. I hope this video helps you feel more comfortable with everyday English conversations. Happy chatting, and see you in the next video.